Fix Quick Access menu missing in Windows 11. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Update Windows. Method 2. Fix corrupted system files. Use command prompt commands to repair system file corruption. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Method 3. Clear File Explorer History. Method 4. Enable navigation pane options. Press the Windows key and R to open the Run dialog box. Type control.exe folders inside the dialog box and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. At the User Account Control, UAC, click Yes to grant admin access. Go to the View tab and scroll down to the navigation pane. Method 5. Repin all quick access items. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.